You keep waiting for someone to show up.
But deep down, you already know the truth. Nobody's coming.
No mentor, no miracle, no perfect moment. Just you and the choices you make today.
When you finally move for yourself, that's when your life starts changing. Step 1 begins with you. Every moment you hesitate, opportunities pass quietly by. You either move or remain the same.
No one owes you success. No one will hand it over. Your future is your responsibility.
The world doesn't pause for you. It moves, it grows, it rewards action, not wishful thinking.
If you wait for someone else will own the life you dream of. Only action secures it. Waiting for luck is a trap. Waiting for timing is a trap. Waiting is wasting your life. Take the first step today. Nobody is coming to make you rich, and you must build it yourself. Financial freedom starts with clarity. If you can't define what you want, you'll never reach it. Write your numbers, your debt, your income, your habits. Money becomes simple when you face it honestly. Most people avoid the work that builds wealth, but the boring work is exactly what changes your life. Every dollar you control gives you power. Every dollar you waste steals your future.
Wealth doesn't begin with big moves. It begins with tiny decisions, repeated without excuses.
Your attention is your currency. What you feed daily shapes your income.
A strong mind needs a strong body. Discipline in one area builds discipline everywhere. Wealth grows from consistency, not speed, not luck, just steady, repeatable effort. You can't control the economy, but you can control your habits, and habits beat uncertainty every time. This is how financial freedom begins. Quiet steps, daily discipline, unstoppable commitment. The version of you who stays broke is the version you must leave behind. Financial growth begins with personal growth. Clean your space, clean your mind. Small, responsible habits compound faster than any investment.
Saying no to comfort today is saying yes to freedom tomorrow.
You don't rise by chance. You rise by learning what others ignore. One new skill can change your income forever. Build something you can sell.
Wealth doesn't come from wishes. It comes from strategy and courage.
Every day, remind yourself, no one is coming to rescue me. I will build my own way out.
Most people fear the work, but that work is exactly where you find your power.
Your life shifts the moment you decide to act, without waiting, without excuses.
Discipline isn't pressure. It's the structure that builds the life you want.
Before you spend anything, make sure your future gets paid.
Wealth begins the moment you stop repeating the same version of yourself.
If you can't handle small expenses, bigger money won't fix anything. Freedom isn't earned by buying more. It's earned by choosing better.
When you track your money, you take back control of your life.
Repeat the right habits long enough, and success becomes inevitable.
Most people know what's right. Very few actually follow through. Opportunity shows up when you finally start searching with intent. Your future isn't waiting for luck. It's waiting for discipline. Decide one clear priority for your money and treat it like a non-negotiable. Pay yourself first. Even 5% starts the compounding process.
Consistency beats intensity. Show up one day more than you skip.
Protect your attention. What you scroll is what you become.
Learn the basics of investing. Small, consistent buys beat timing the market. Pick one skill that pays well and double down for 6 months.
2 hours of focused work every day beats 20 scattered hours. Practice with purpose. Don't just watch, replicate and apply right away. Put your work out there before it's perfect. Feedback beats perfectionism. That first earned dollar changes your identity more than any promise.
Reinvest earnings in skills. That's how income scales.
Discipline in life builds discipline in money. Habits transfer. Track your balance. Even small upward moves compound into major gains. Saying no now means saying yes to freedom later.
Build more than one income. Redundancy creates stability.
Teach what you learn. Selling knowledge is scalable.
Clients validate value. One client at a time builds reputation. Make saving automatic, out of sight, into your future.
Teach one person what helped you. Generosity builds influence.
Small wins stack. Tonight's wins are tomorrow's momentum.
Plan your week in advance, then protect that plan like a contract.
Measure what matters. Data nudges you toward better decisions.
Aim higher. Send the pitch you're nervous about, and that's where growth lives.
Rejection is feedback in disguise. Use it to improve and return stronger. Small improvements compound faster than occasional genius.
Show your process. People invest in consistency, not perfection.
Engagement validates progress. Keep creating, keep learning. Reinvest profit into growth experiments. Without experiments, you stay flat.
Reward small wins. It fuels long-term persistence. Raise your target once you prove the process works. A clear one-year goal focuses every tiny decision you make.
Accountability turns intentions into actions. Good advice is useless without action. Execute on one tip today. Momentum builds when you act on guidance. Fast execution matters.
Small, consistent actions create visible results within months.
Automate growth. Your future self will thank you.
When you can teach it, you own it.
Right.
Income growth is proof your skills compound. Keep compounding.
Leave reminders that pull you forward on weekdays.
You've done the work. Now be patient and persistent. Days become weeks. Weeks become momentum. Momentum becomes freedom.
Private victories lead to public results.
Buy back time. Tools that automate are investments in scale. You don't have to do everything. Delegate to grow faster. Compound time with systems and the results surprise you. A dedicated fund protects you and accelerates opportunity.
Help other builders, community accelerates everyone.
Gratitude keeps you humble and hungry at once.
Sign the pledge to yourself. That's how commitment becomes real. Remember, nobody is coming to make you rich. Build yourself day by day, and your freedom will follow.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe.